I've been feeling so down.
Every single day of 2024, so I think they're overdue for a little break. So I ordered this gadget on Amazon. This is if that means the sleep is ugly. I have pure jojoba oil. I know this is good for your hair, so it should also be good for your nails. A little massage. Hand massages are underrated. When they pull out the little hand massage at the nail salon, I'm like, I do desperately want to paint them again to make them look better, but all you find is this red. I'm not really in a red mood. And I think that's reversing everything.
Ano yun doon? 0.6? Paano yun? Ano ko mayroon na 0.6 eh? Good afternoon! So, I'm wearing, hindi yan dumi ano yan, galing yan sa, kasi nag-color ako ng hair before, and I can't let go of this shirt. Because it's my favorite, kahit na may mga butas-butas siya. Anyways, do I wear this? It's just, so init kasi today, like, can you see the sunlight? So, init. Anyways, do I wear this? Because we're just gonna eat outside and we're just gonna chill, eat some ice cream and eat some chicken. So this is the other one. This is the other black top na may iba lang na design. But I don't think, is it okay? Ang arte, pupunta lang naman sa labas, kakain lang naman. But I wanna look good, but is it okay or the other one na lang? Okay, so I've decided I'm gonna wear this so I can be comfortable. And alam niyo ba guys, I just got a haircut. My hair parang ganito siya, this long. Then I cut it short. Yeah, I just miss having short hair. But now, I miss my long hair. The irony. But, so far, I'm loving my look. I'm loving my hair. So now, we're just gonna get ready with, I'm gonna put some sunscreen, some moisturizer, some lip balm, and maybe some blush on. But, I think that's all. See you later!
Mom brought them their favorite snacks. Did you get, what's this? Is this my favorite, Mom? Yeah!
I'm just gonna use this, yung ano, from Haven & Co na Miss D, Blooming Bouquet.
It was super cold there, so I have borrowed Mom's, what do you call this? Denim something. And kaya kasi I look cool, hindi kasi I look like I'm about to dance. Kobe Mommy! Aww.
So, I feel fresh. Oh. Anyways, yung sound na naririnig niyo, I'm watching a vlog right now. It's a vlog from Chingy D's channel. Yeah, I love them. So, yeah. So, anyways, mag-makeup na ako. Yan. And here's my setup. Hi! I'm done getting ready. So, wait. Look. So, here's my fit. Yeah, I'm done getting ready now. I just put some blush on. Then, brow mascara. And some lipstick. And I'm gonna use this bag. I'm gonna use this bag and I'm gonna use this sandals. And okay, wait. Let's just push this right here and then here's my whole fit. We're gonna go now. Hi! Where are we going?
We're going to SM and Giyami.
Yummy!
Giyami yun, babe. Giyami.
Hi, this is me! Do you like my makeup?
Yes, I like it. All of you.
Hindi kayo pwede isali dito.
I'm wearing the outfit.
Yeah, I like your outfit. Yeah, I like your outfit.
Sorry.
Wow.
Di pa
Parehas
ba yan?
tayo. So, we're gonna buy...
Chooks.
Yeah, that one. Ito ko yung malaki ba yun?
Ano na, mga ta?
Come on, let's buy now.
Ano yung service? This one.
Ay!
Ito. Meron ko sa dulo. Ito, pwede.
Ito na lang siguro.
Tara. Dito yata, di ba?
Yeah.
Doon na lang.
Come on, bye. So, kapila ka. Ikaw magbabayad ah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Pakita mo nga. Open. Yeah!
Go.
Jaman, let's go na.
Hindi ba tayo ice cream?
We're gonna go to Giyami. We're gonna buy
Something cold.
something cold and something sweet.
Yeah. Something delicious.
Our favorite. Ah, yun pala yun. That's it pala. That one and that one.
Pakita mo.
Come on. Ito lang. Come on. Hi! I'm finally home! Hi! So, ayun nga. Kakauwi ko lang. And, ano ba ginawa namin? Yun nga, nagpunta kami sa Korean store. Nag-SM kami. Bumili kami ng food, namasyal, ganyan, kumain. Tapos, after, pumunta kami ng O-Save. Bumili lang ako ng chocolate. Kailangan ko ng sweets. I want sweets. Lalo na pag nagre-review ako ngayon. I really want sweets. So, ayun. Tapos bumili kami ng ice cream habang naglalakad kami pa uwi. Nag-remove lang ako ng makeup. Kasi, hindi ako naglagay ng mascara. Yun yung ayoko ilagay kanina na sinasabi ko. Kasi ang hirap niya tanggalin. Ito ngayon, wipes lang gamit ko. But later, I'm gonna wash my face. Ito pag ano lang. Yung mga nilalagay ko sa mukha. Like blush on lang. Ganyan. Kilay. Normally kasi yun lang yung nilalagay ko pag dyan lang. Pero pag malayo, yung alis namin, like kunwari pupunta kami ng Mega Mall, as in gusto ko mag-pictures, full beat talaga yung makeup ko. Pero pag gantong kakain ka lang sa labas, ayaw sayangin yung makeup ko kasi sayang, wala nang pambili. So, blush on lang at counting powder. Yung Get Ready With Me ko pa naman na blush on. Yung, ano ba yun? Basta yung blush on na cream base, yung cream. Tagal maubos, parang 1 year ko na yun. Anyways. Ayan, wala nang makeup. Look. Wala nang makeup. Okay na, then, I'm just gonna change my clothes and I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna socialize for a bit. Ano pa ba? Siguro manonood kami ng movie. Tapos, kailangan ko na uminom ng tubig kasi sobrang nauuhaw na ako. Yan yung binili ko kanina sa OSIF. Kasi, 37 lang yan doon. Tapos, pag sa SM ko binibili, parang nasa 45 yata to. Ganon. Basta 40 plus something. So, tipid. Dito lang naman yun. So, binili ko na. Pero hindi ko naman ito kinakain like isang beses lahat na to ganyan. Pag nagre-review lang, yung review pala na sinasabi ko is, ayan, nagre-review kasi ako. Basically, ayan yung mga nire-review ko, nalagay ko siya sa pader para maalala ko.